Today I'm gonna turn Pusheen into some homemade, soft and fluffy marshmallows. And also tell me which expression is you. So let's get started. So I have a bowl here and I am going to add some water and sprinkle some gelatin on top. And then we're gonna let that sit for just a couple minutes while we make the sugar syrup. So now over to the stove, and we're gonna add some more water to a little pot as well as some sugar and mix that until it's fully dissolved. And then I'm gonna turn on the heat and we're gonna heat the sugar until it reaches 238 degrees Fahrenheit. And it's like really specific, but this is like the appropriate stage for the sugar to be the right level of like thickness or whatever to make marshmallows. Once it reaches that temperature, we're gonna go over and add that to our gelatin mixture. And just give it a whisk with our mixer, Now I'm gonna attach this to my KitchenAid and we are gonna beat it for about 8 minutes until it is light and soft and fluffy. So now it's almost ready, but there's a couple more things. So we're gonna add some vanilla extract and I'm gonna add some black food coloring, just enough to make this gray. Now I'm gonna pop it into a piping bag. And I have a little egg-shaped mold. I feel like egg is the closest shape to what Pusheen's shape is, so that's what we're doing. And I've sprayed it with cooking spray, and I'm just gonna fill the mold, and then we're gonna let this set overnight. Okay, so it's the next day, and we're gonna unmold our little eggs, and I'm gonna trim off the base, or the back actually, and the base, because I want them to stand up. These are supposed to be 3D. Now for her ears, I was debating, I'm like, do I just like cut into the marshmallow or do I just make a whole nother batch of marshmallow? So I decided to make a whole nother batch. Maybe this is excessive, I don't know. But that's what I did, and I put it into a piping bag and just piped her little ears on, massive batch of marshmallow just for the ears. And then for her facial features, I just got some dark chocolate and a toothpick and did like the most fiddly work to create her little faces. And tell me like which face is yours. And do you know who also loves Pusheen?